FinNifty is an index of the top performing companies in the Indian finance sector. Sometimes, instead of investing in a single company, investors invest in an entire sector or trend. मान लीजिए कि डिजिटल बैंकिंग, ऑन द गो इंश्योरेंस, मोबाइल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज और ऐसे ट्रेंड्स देखकर आप फाइनेंस सेक्टर पे काफी बुलिश हैं. Instead of investing in individual companies, you want to invest in the whole sector. Now you can do that with the help of FinNifty. FinNifty में 20 stocks हैं and these companies belong to categories like insurance, housing finance, banking, non-banking financial companies and more. The index is determined by the free-floating market capitalization of top 20 finance companies and it is updated every 6 months to reflect the changing market caps. Here are some interesting facts about FinNifty. The stock with the most weightage cannot be more than 33% of the index. The top 3 stocks cannot be more than 62% of the index. This ensures that the index doesn't become lopsided. Indexes में invest करने का एक बड़ा reason होता है diversification. And when 2 to 3 companies are overrepresented in the index, then the diversity is lost. You can invest in FinNifty by buying its future contracts or options contracts. Futures and options are derivatives. That is, they are financial instruments that derive their value from other assets. In this case, the underlying asset is FinNifty. When you buy an options contract on FinNifty, you have the right but not the obligation to execute the contract on or before the expiry date. But when you buy a futures contract on FinNifty, you have the obligation to execute the contract on or before the expiry date. Both futures and options help you make money when you can accurately predict a price swing, but the potential downside with the futures contract is much greater. दोनों फ्यूचर्स और ऑप्शंस खरीदने के लिए आप एक अपफ्रंट प्रीमियम पे करते हैं. अगर ऑप्शंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीदने के बाद प्राइस अनएक्सपेक्टेड डायरेक्शन में स्विंग होता है, then you can simply let the contract expire. Your loss is restricted to the upfront premium paid for the contract. But with the futures contract, you must execute the contract, and thus your loss is potentially unlimited. Here are some of the companies listed on FinNifty. As you see, this index covers banking, home finance, life insurance, NBFCs and more. Here's a graph of FinNifty since it was created in 2004. After falling sharply in 2020 due to the pandemic, the index recovered quickly and touched new heights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.